Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set the display to a yellow or blue high contrast theme on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement. After click on VN enhancement, scroll down and click on high contrast theme. After click on high contrast theme, if you want to set a display to yellow or blue high contrast theme, click on blue. After click on blue, click on apply. You will see blue high contrast theme is apply. So that's how you can set a display to a yellow or blue high contrast theme on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.